up, y'all? It's your boy, Have You Met Brian? If you haven't, now you have. We're back again with another sneaker video, and today we're looking at the Nike Vaporwaffle Sacais. And here we have it, fresh out of the box. I gotta say, these are not mine, these are my brother's. These are not the type of sneakers I'm usually into, but there's a lot of hype behind these sneakers. Sacai, if you don't know, is a Japanese high fashion brand, and this is a collaboration between Nike and them for them to design this shoe. And these things retail for about $210 Canadian, and they're reselling for about a good 600 bucks. So a lot of people are wanting these ones. It's a pretty cool pair of sneakers. When you look at it, it's just not something that I think I would wear. This heel thing is pretty cool, but yeah, it's just a little too much for me. I wonder if it helps with walking in any way, or if it's just a design thing. If you have these and you wear them, comment below. Let me know if these are actually like comfortable walking in a day-to-day basis or not. But overall, they got these yellow mesh upper with mostly suede leather, two different color laces, black and white. And the cool thing about these that I like is like a double tongue. So there's a Nike sportswear tongue, and then on top there's a Nike Sacai collab tongue. Yeah, overall, it's one of those shoes where it's gonna be a conversation piece, right? If you see somebody wear these, you immediately notice it. There's no way you can miss these, right? Especially look at the heel; they just kind of went crazy with these ones. It's pretty cool. They have a green leather swoosh and also like a painted white swoosh. So it's almost like a double swoosh. It is a double swoosh, but yeah, just the details of it is pretty cool. You know. It's overall, I see them. I would think they're a cool pair of sneakers. Would I get them myself? No, but I'm not surprised that the price have gone up so much for these ones. I'm sure it's just only gonna go higher and higher. Usually these type of collaborations just jack up the price a lot, especially if there's a huge fan base for Sacai and people already like that brand, and now they cross over with Nike, and they dump these shoes out, and it's cool. There's a lot of different colorways that are out there. So yeah, find what you need, and there it is. I will try to put these on and see how they feel on feet, and but I won't be like kind of be able to work them in a rotation, because like I said, it's my brother's, not mine. I'll try them on to see how it feels. But even if it's comfortable, I really don't know if I'll rock them. It's just maybe. I don't know. Let me know what you think. That's a quick review on these Nike Vaporwaffle Sacais. If you enjoy these type of content, we have more videos to come, more sneaker reviews, so subscribe and stay tuned. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.